welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my settings for the fountain pen. The fountain pen is in the iPad version of Sketchbook. It's in the default setup, or the default set of pens. So it's basically the exact same as the default, except the size with heavy pressure is all the way up and the opacity is all the way up. So here is how much different lines you can get, and this is just how you can get how you can control the pressure in the lines, and that's an even tone. So this is the default settings, which is just completely default. Like, I haven't changed anything, and it's very basic. And I don't think it's really good if you want to get a flat tone, because the opacity is down. You have this weird layering. Like, it's good for some things, but when you're trying to get a flat tone, if you choose a super dark color, you're probably going to get a lighter color. So I personally don't like it, but at the end, it's just completely up to personal preference. So here is how you use the lines, and if you can see there, I can't get one tone. Like, it's just layering and making it darker and darker. And if you have a light color, it's going to become almost white, and you'll keep making it darker. If you miss a spot, you can't just go there and do it. You need to do it in like all in one go. So it's not very easy to do. But if you're good at it, and like if you practice, then I think you can really use it well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Like and subscribe for more art tutorials.